Hi guys, this is Sharjeel Ahmad Kakvi and I hope you all must have seen my previous videos on the hospital tour as well as the campus and college tour, and if not, the link is in the description. Please do check it out. And let's just dive right into the video. Hi everyone, it is 6:20 in the morning and we are going to shoot our hostel tour and room tour. The reason we chose this time is इस वक्त सारे प्राणी सो चुके होंगे या जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा एथलीट और स्पोर्ट्स इंथुजियास्ट होंगे सिर्फ वही जागेंगे. So we are pretty much safe to be exposed to the secrets of boys hostel. तो okay, this right here is what you see is the under construction proposed boys hostel, जिसके rooms apparently इस वाले से बड़े होंगे. And as per our information, इसमें जो rooms allot होंगे, they will be double occupancy. We don't know whether we will be shifted from here to here या आने वाले batches इसमें रहेंगे. We don't know nothing as of now, but yeah, this we know for sure is that this is going to be the MBBS boys hostel which is under construction. So right now you see two buildings. The building over here on the right side of the screen is the MBBS boys hostel, and the building on the left is the common boys hostel, which means it is the boys hostel for all the other courses. We have Ayurveda, then paramedical, law, and all those things. So there are two boys hostel. One is the common boys hostel and one is the MBBS boys hostel. And right from the outside you can see कि 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5 floors हैं और पांचों floors के सारे rooms में AC ducts installed है. But I like to bring to your notice that ground floor, first floor और second floor, ये वो 3 floor हैं जिसपे इंसान रहते हैं. उसके ऊपर के 2 floor you don't want to know. Come on. So it's like all the ACs are window ACs, but we have 4 split ACs, 2 on this side, 2 on that side, because उस time जब install हो रहे थे तो available नहीं थे window ACs, so they installed split ACs for a few people, and the guy holding the camera, luckily his room has a split AC, means silence. This is the guards area. Say hi to guard uncle. So this is the area where we do our entries and all. बाहर जाना है, अंदर आना है, class जा रहे हैं, घर जा रहे हैं, so we make our entries here on the register. And then this is our hostel notice board, जो कोई नहीं पढ़ता. Basically इस पे वो information रहती है जैसे कि फ्रिज में रखा हुआ कोल्ड ड्रिंक अपना अपना पिए, दूसरों का नहीं. So this is the layout which will be the same in the whole hostel. And as you can see, there are blocks. The floors are divided into letters. So this is A. Then we'll go up to B and C. This is warden's room. ये मिट गया है, but warden. आजा. So apparently warden morning walk के बाद नहाने गए हुए हैं. This is his room, not my room. This screen right here is the CCTV camera screen, और वो off है. I don't know why, because okay, not necessary right now. मन ना लगे, you can come here and you can see कि boys hostel में लोगों का मन नहीं लग रहा है तो वो क्या कर रहे हैं. This is the common fridge. We don't have individual fridges in our room, और इसमें usually सामान रहता है. आज कुछ नहीं है, वरना एक कोल्ड ड्रिंक हम लोग भी गायब कर सकते थे. And this is a register in which you write stuff कि किसका क्या है. Come on. आइए सर. हॉस्टल वार्डन संजय सर. बाहर जाना है, एंट्री पास लेना है, हॉस्टल में कुछ हुआ, मैन रिस्पॉन्सिबल. Okay, we are gonna head this side. Don't worry, there will be room tours. The rooms are allocated as G17, G12, G as in ground, but now the room names have changed to A because A block again. Okay, we don't have attached washrooms in any of the rooms. It's like every floor has common washroom areas kind of stuff. So we have 3 toilets right here and 2 urinals on each floor. 2 of them are Indian seated style, one is Western seated style. We have 2 urinals, we have a common wash area with 3 taps, we have 2 wash basins, we have a water cooler. I want you to pan out and show the water cooler with an RO filter or something. And yes, we have geyser because इस hostel में अति गर्मी में भी गर्म पानी से नहाने वाले लोग भी रहते हैं, और उन्हीं को बैलेंस करने के लिए शदीद सर्द में ठंडे पानी से नहाने वाले लोग भी रहते हैं. So yeah, we have geysers, and then again 3 bathrooms, like proper bathrooms for bathing, obviously. So 3 bathrooms, 3 toilets, 1 Western, 2 Indian, 2 urinals, water cooler, 2 wash basins, 3 wash taps, and yes, a mirror. Well, kind of, not very much. Okay, so we are gonna go to the upper floors and show you what's different on the upper floors. Then here, CCTV, well equipped. So that CCTV is looking at us. This is looking there. That is looking front. This is the whole power unit from where the electricity is being controlled for this specific hostel. This is the first floor, or we can say block B. Yep. So this block has an extra balcony, you can say, which is not there on any of the floors. Neither up. Below की तो बात ही नहीं है. Yeah. So यहाँ पे we hang our clothes to dry after washing them, and you see this table right here, and you see this black graffiti on the wall. So the reason this table exists here is birthday किसी का भी हो. This right here is the celebration point. So ये table पे केक रखा है, और वो केक कोई खाता नहीं है for obvious reasons. Again, we have rooms on this side. So we have like what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rooms on this side. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 8 rooms on this side. So 18 rooms per floor. Yeah, oh sorry. I-18, I guess the last room. So I again stands for what? I was first, 1. So now this is B18 technically. So yeah, oh yeah, one more thing. Come on. So it's dark right now, even though it's morning, because good night boys hostel की सुबह 5 बजे होती है. Oh yeah, especially Saturday, which is today. Okay, again same setup. The only difference we find here, कोई ज़्यादा वाला. Okay, we have a commercial washing machine. Okay, so this thing works like you put your clothes in, you select your cycle, you select the temperature, and then there is an app, Laundry Crew, and every student on that app has this specific washing machine saved and registered. So we just put our clothes in, we make the payment through the app, and our clothes get washed. Someone is already washing their clothes. Again, same setup. We have geyser, we have 3 toilets, 1 Western, 2 Indian, 2 urinals, 2 wash basins, 3 wash taps, 3 bathrooms. Pretty much everything is the same except for this back one. Come on. Again, rooms. So now we are going to go to my floor. That is the second floor, or as we like to call it, the C black. Yeah, I didn't mispronounce that one. It's not C block. We call it C black, because this is the black zone of boys hostel. C black. Welcome to C black. There used to be a big poster over here, welcome to C black, but someone removed it. Anyways, come up. Don't worry about this mess. Every morning this gets clean, and every night it gets dirty. You see ropes over there. So we hang our clothes on this floor itself, because usually niche wala it's occupied. And this is pretty much the floor. Now we are going to go into one of the rooms of C black, which is my room. Okay, you wanna go there first? I have strict instructions from my media guy that we need to go to the other room. So basically all the rooms have the same configuration. You have 1 door, 1 window, but the rooms towards the end, like towards the east side, I would say, have 2 windows and 1 door. So this is Saurav's room, one of my good friends. He's not here, he's gone home, but I have his permission to, see his room. So come on in. I hope there is nothing objectionable. Come, boys hostel. You can expect unexpected stuff. This is Saurav's room. You have this one window, you have that another window. This is his typical room. And yeah, don't get frightened by the amount of books you see on his table. I don't know why there is a sock on this one. But again, boys hostel. You expect unexpected stuff. Come on. Yeah, so technically you have what? 2 floors on the 2 rooms on the ground floor, 2 on the first and 2 on the second, that have this 2 window, 1 door configuration. People are up. Wow. This is Raka's room, also goes by the name Swapnil. Abhishek's room, Om's room, Yash's room. Okay.
Sunday morning,
Oh, sorry. Sunday, our food is like chole bhature, nice breakfast. So, sorry, my bad. People will sleep after 8 because it was Saturday night. Most people. This is my room. We are going to go inside my room, and It's organized right now. It's not usually this organized. I've cleaned it for the video. Let's go. Wow. Ta-da! Come on. Come on in. Come on in. I need to keep my slippers right. So, yeah. So, I'll turn the lights on. Yeah. So this is my room. This is what my room looks like. This is the room that the whole boys hostel has, like the same size, same configuration, maximum rooms except for those 6 rooms which have 2 windows. You have this hanger here, my clothes and all, the door, one table here, and yeah, Seth, ID cards and all, some few awards I've kept here. Books, don't judge me by my books, okay? I like to read. And these books which I should be reading, but I'm not reading. I don't know why. I have exam in 20 days? Less than 20 days now. But I don't know, for some reason I'm not even touching those books. I really should. And yeah, that is the shelf. This is the table. My gadgets. We get a drawer, I guess. We have. Then we have this one more table where I, kind of get ready. All my toiletries, cosmetics and stuff are here. The media kit, mic, tripod and all. Then, extra stuff, bath stuff and all. So I'll just tell you what all do we get from the college and what all is my own. So basically, bed, mattress, this chair, that chair, yep, this big cupboard. Okay, light cut gayi. No problem, generator starts in 2 minutes. So yeah, one more thing, thank God it happened. Generator facilities hain, so no problem of the electricity or whatsoever. So this big cupboard we have, and this table, and finally that table, you see, and this shelf, this bookshelf I have. So itna things, these many things you get. And okay, if you're saying things, then what do we call that hanger or something, metal hanger or something, and there are lights and all. This light is my own. We get the tube light. That's it. AC, obviously, most important thing. Curtains are my own, and baki room management mein diya. So this is my room, and this backdrop, you see, I created this for shooting my videos, hi, blah blah blah, but not many videos have come out with this backdrop. I'm planning on it. And yeah, there are 2 types of cupboards you'll get. One is this big and one is a smaller one. It's up to your compatibility which one you want. Sometimes it's not up to your choice, sometimes it's subject to availability, but lucky. And yeah, that's pretty much it, I guess. We are not going to wait for things more. We are going to take you right up to the upper floors. So just let me grab my slippers real quick. This is my brace. I'm not wearing it right now because I just woke up few minutes back. Come on. You should come out. I should come. Okay. So we're gonna go upstairs, and so this was till the 2nd floor, and yeah, all the rooms have AC. And you know how in colleges they have this thing that you cannot control the AC and all. Well, we have remotes. We can control the temperature to whatever degree we like. Lowest being 16. कुछ लोगों का बस चलता है, वो लोग लेजिट उससे नीचे तक जा सकते हैं. कैपेसिटी दिखती है, मुझे पोटेंशियल दिखता है. But okay, these are the floors no one speak of. Okay, there is this weird energy around here, even in the morning. So this is the what floor? 4th? Oh, sorry, 3rd. So we are waiting for that. Okay, you can take the view. So this side you can see the university main gate, I hope. Yeah, that's the main gate. And yeah, come on, we're gonna go up. This is the 4th floor, and you know what? The ACs and all have been installed for all the floors, you can see. But again, no one lives on these floors, or maybe someone does, we don't know. We have mattresses and all if we have sleepovers in someone's room or that kind of stuff. So we usually take mattresses from these floors and have movie nights and all. Okay, coming up to the terrace, हमारा प्यारा छत. Beautiful place. So this place is nice, and again we have not ropes, I would say bamboos on which people are hanging their clothes. I don't know why. We could have put in ropes, but people are lazy here. And yes, this right here where I'm standing is the place boys hostel की, boys common लोगों की, boys का union का कुछ भी meeting होना होता है, it happens here. An anonymous message drops on the group. Meeting on the terrace, 10:30 p.m. You'll find everyone here. And yeah, people come here for recreational activities. I don't know what they are. And this is the view we get from the terrace. So that's the whole. It's kind of hazy and misty, foggy out there, apparently because it's drizzling. But yeah, it's nice. You feel too confined, you can come up here, man. It's nice. So that's pretty much it about the boys hostel tour and my room tour. And right after this, we are straight gonna jump into the mess. I'll show you the mess, which is not right now because abhi jaake koi fayda nahi hai. It's what, 6:45, and if I take you to the mess right now, kuch hoga nahi, and apparently it might be closed too. So I'll not even breakfast. I'll try to get you a shot of the evening, snacks time. That will be a good time to shoot. So yeah, stay tuned. Mess shots, mess vlog coming up. Hostel video. You saw the hostel. You saw the whole hostel. Now we are gonna cover for the mess. And come on here, I'll show you the entrance of the mess. This is basically on the 3rd floor of our hospital. Show right there, that's the under construction area. The 4th floor of our hospital. And come on Krish, come on front and show them. This is the hospital, and this is the most south block of our hospital, the most main entrance area. Don't drop my phone, don't drop my phone. This is the mess area. That's the doctors and staff area for the mess. This area is for the MBBS students. Come on. MBBS students only. That means, so the time right now is what, 5:35 p.m. and usually there are certain timings. I'll attach the mess menu for our students right somewhere in the video, I don't know where. And the time right now is like 5:35. So morning breakfast we have 8 to 9, and then we have lunch around 1 to 2, and then we have snacks, which is right now luckily 5 to 6, and then we have dinner around 8 to 9, I guess, 8 to 10. Yeah, okay, come on. I eat food very early, that's why I don't remember the late timings. Water cooler, hand wash area, that is the preparation area. And okay, what do we have today? We have tikki and tikki chaat. Okay, yeah, tikki chaat, and we have tea, coffee. So we're not gonna take tikki chaat right now. We're just gonna take the coffee. I don't know which is. Oh yeah, this is. You want? Okay, we'll get it for you after the video. I can't carry coffee in my both hands. Come on. So this is where we sit and eat. But usually during the evening snacks, we don't usually sit. We come to this area. Reason? Gonna show you in a few seconds. अच्छी बनी है यार चाय. Come on. This is where we stand and shoot the whole. Sorry, the recording is on my head. This is where we stand and we gossip in the evening. We have our tea, we eat snacks. This is a place where you get the whole hospital view, a whole university view. I'll show you. That right there is the main university entrance from where we enter. That is our canteen. That is the Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital. That right there is the girls' hostel. And that is not the reason why we stand here and have our snacks. That right there is the area where we play football right after the sand. You can see, I hope, Krish, you can zoom in a little bit. No, it's not working? Okay, no problem. Yeah, so, and this area has a very nice vibe, Stuck right there with tikki chat. So, yeah, so this was the mess. And that's it. We are gonna straight head for the outro. I'll make sure I'll attach the mess menu somewhere around here, and I'll also make sure I'll attach the rate list. If it's not necessary that you have to be an MBBS student. If your parents come and if your friends come, you want to have something here, there's a specific rate chart. You can pay the amount for lunch, breakfast, whatever it is, and have lunch with us, or breakfast, or tea, or tikki chat. So yeah, signing off. Let's head to the outro. Hope you all must have enjoyed the video, and the tour series kind of ends here because I've covered the hostel, mess, hospital and campus and college tour. So please let me know what videos you guys need on next, and I'll be more than happy to create videos. And do subscribe, do like and share to the people you might find that this video will be useful. And yeah, signing off.